Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. My dear brothers and sisters, the honorable teachers, principal and directors of Tanvirul Ummah Model Madrasa, the chief guest of this Islamic discussion meeting, Mufti Amir Hamza, I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I hope you all are good by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also good by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am a student of Tanvirul Ummah Model Madrasa. I read in class 2. My topic is our motherland. Our motherland. Bangladesh is our motherland. Our motherland is a beautiful country. It is surrounded by green nature. Here the fields produce golden crops. A lot of fish are found in the river. Farmers grow crops. Fishermen catch fish. They love each other very much. They help each other in danger. We all love our country. We work for the country. We believe that one day our country will be more developed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.